as I've been watching it for months. I've been watching it for months. I really want it. Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to today's video, and in today's video you will see where I purchased my second Christmas gift for myself, to myself, and the weather was just perfect for today. Look at those blue skies, those green trees. It was just so lovely. So come along with me and my friends as I purchase my Christmas gift, something that I've really wanted for months. So let's go. Eating before we shop. I was very hungry.
May you have your one again?
I just wanted to buy it because I've been watching it for months. I've been watching it for months. I really want it. Let me see.
Can I change my mind?
About?
I don't want to tell you, I want to share. Share.
See,
Put me on to my home here.
it was 14, it was 16 that, and now it's 12.99 that tax. So don't pay the tax in the mind until the final. So this is going to be my Christmas present to me.
Yeah!
Not that one, that one, that one.
Oh, you don't select your box up front.
Yeah, because that one they look like somebody tamper with it.
Like you cut the box.
You see it?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Happy Kwanzaa.
Alright. You can always come for this. But the thing is it cheaper than Red Star?
That's the question. I know what I do with this.
Say hi. Yeah. Isn't this beautiful? Now we went to get my Christmas gift and we made a river stop. This is my first time at Caymanas Park and this is just beautiful.
You think something not special, what?
Go on out in the water, man. Oh.
That's why it's in the top right, so. You go on the further now, you can swim?
And the thing reach up over here says danger.
Don't worry guys, I'm going in. This is beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. I'm going to go in. Look at my bra. Can you see? You can never stop.
Oh, remember the hard reset? Something not just your eyesight right now. Hey, Sean. You'll be a snack.
Oh, Shaka. Oh. Come back and go cover your body with water, make it go all over. You're not for me tonight, don't worry.
Without showing the nudity. Oh, I'm offended. That's a joke.
And just like that, our river trip ended, and let's see where we're going next.
Right.
Isn't this beautiful, these lures? Thank you. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video of me purchasing my second gift to myself and going to the river, this river, for the first time and seeing my experience. Anyways, thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Dizzlers.